Got a 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. Key fob here. This is how you open it to replace the battery. I'm just gonna get the emergency key out of the way so you can see a little bit better. But there's a slot right here that's made for your screwdriver. Go ahead and put it in here, a little flathead screwdriver, and just give it a twist, okay? And that'll crack the remote open. Once it's cracked open, you can go along the sides and just help it out a little bit. We're gonna turn it over with the buttons facing towards the ground and open it right up. Hold it like this. Now there's a slot right here where you can stick your screwdriver in and just pry the battery out. I'll show you what size the battery is real quick before we go. Battery size is a CR 2032 battery. You get your new one, you slide it up on the contacts like that. It should stay right in there. If you need a battery, there's a link down in the description box where you get the right size. And then when you're done, you just get the remote and you just get the two halves and snap them together, and you're all done.